This thing right here has changed my life. It's changed my life. This is the only thing that matters today. It's life changing.
Brutus. We're gonna get some MGB cruising in, right, buddy? And we're gonna go get some dinner for the family. Good old-fashioned cookout. If you guys haven't been to North Carolina or the Carolinas or Virginia, you're missing out. Had this stuff in college a lot, and you know what? It's not the best food ever, but it's good food, cheap. And that got me through college, I'll tell you that. Late night trips to Cookout at like 3 a.m. Can't beat it. All right, let's get going. Motorcycles. Appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, now we're at Cookout. Time to get some food. Yeah, can I get a big double burger tray with cheese, bacon, and ketchup? Both with double fries. One with over here. Doing good. Help us out. Hey. Don't touch. Nope. Nope. Don't touch. Scan badly. Hold on, Brutus. Oh my god, I scratched my screen. Oh crap. Did I crack it? No, I scratched it though. What did I scratch it on, man? Well, hopefully we'll see how bad the camera is after this, but there's a scratch right on the, because it cracked. Well, after I spilled about a gallon of sweet tea on my floorboard. Let's ramp it out. That's all good stuff. Close to, and no problem so far. I can't believe I scratched the frickin' lens, man. We got the Cookout nom-noms. Man, oh my God, it's really freaking me out. There's a gigantic scratch on that screen. I have a feeling it's gonna jack up all the video. We'll find out here soon. Holy crap. I don't think I can see it. Looking through the other side, I don't think I see it. But it is what it is. I dropped it on something. At least it's some nice driving roads. The hideaway. Look at that happy pupper. All right, people, back from the house. Back at the house, we're gonna eat outside. A beautiful day. Boss looking good over there. If you haven't gone to Cookout before, for geez, it's like $6 a tray, man. You get the whole thing of fries, chicken wrap, and a burger, like a bacon cheeseburger. Say hi.
Hi.
Layton's over there chowing down some chicken strips. Him and his brother are sharing. It's a big tray. I gotta buy one for them. These things are pretty good, man. That cheese. I love one of the cheese sticks. Oh man, I ripped it. Oh well. Alright guys, till next time, thanks for watching Brailsford Rides. It's just a short little going to get us an early dinner. Lane's got soccer practice. You gonna go for MG ride? Alright, we'll do that. Say bye to everybody.